Ooh. Good job, guys. Yo, people make fun of Ethereum for being losers. Well, just because you're a short loser doesn't mean you can't be a quant. All right, anyways. Yo, did the thing just crash on me? During the demonstration? Ooh. We did it. Great job. We have it working. All right, hero. Well, that's how it works, I guess. Do all these work? Fusaka. Yeah, this is all connected. At a time like this. Come on, cursor. Oh my god. Hello. My name is Michael Jagdeo, and I'm a headhunter launching startups with Exponent Labs and the Syndicate. Today, I got a message from HeroGamer21.btc, and he said, "How can I copy this website for experimenting?" Pretty cool. So, what are we looking at? We're looking at GitHub data. We're looking at forum data. You can see where Hero wants to go with this for stacks. Now, luckily, there's the GitHub right there. Woo, 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 woo. All right. So, covers these contents. So, what do we do? Me and you. Copy URL. Now, clone repo. Paste. Is it that easy? I sure hope so. I sure hope so. What the fuck? Did it just crash? No, okay. Yo, did the thing just crash on me? During the demonstration? At a time like this. Come on, cursor. Oh my god. Okay, so you started again, huh? Activating extensions. Did you download anything? No, not yet. Clone repo. Yeah. Downloads. Put here. This is supposed to be a demonstration of how easy it is, and you're not helping. No. You're good, cursor. You're good. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna talk to it like Hero. So what do I do now? I'm a noob and wanna learn how to code and am using this repo as a way to learn how to code. Go slow and soft and subtle and patiently with me. Yeah. What the fuck happened? I don't need background. Fuck you. Open your terminal and type node-v npm-v npm run dev. What? The hell happened to this? Wow, what a terrible way to... Ooh, we did it. Great job. We have it working. All right, Hero. Well, that's how it works, I guess. Do all these work? Fusaka. Yeah, this is all connected. Let's see. Error retrieving files. Okay. Well, at least we know how this stuff is getting made. And this is enough for anyone who is a developer to know that this can be done. You want to customize this for Stacks, go for it. Ooh. Good job, guys. People like make fun of Ethereum for being losers. Well, just because you're a short loser doesn't mean you can't be a quant. All right, anyways. All right, that's how it works, guys. Great job. Now create hero.md with a new readme.m that shows all of the new terse and pithy installation instructions. He's a noob like me too. Kind and be clear and be concise.